This is little baby Ellis. He's one of the cutest patients that we've ever had. This is Dr. Kristen adjusting him. His parents brought him in because he was having some issues with constipation. He was being fussy through the night and he was having trouble sleeping. Here, Dr. Kristen is just palpating his spine, looking for any misalignments that she can find that might be adding to his constipation or his pain that he's experiencing during the night. A lot of people wonder why we adjust infants or children. They say that it's not necessary because there's no visible trauma. However, that's not true. So, if you take, for example, a woman who's been in an auto accident who's pregnant, there can be forces placed upon that fetus before the child is born. Another example would be when the child is in the birth canal, there's a lot of forces that are being placed on them as well. Many children also have a condition called hip dysplasia, which is normal in a child that young. It just means that the hip is easily displaced out of the socket. So that's what Dr. Kristen is checking for here. She's just making sure that all of his joints are in the proper areas and that his hips are moving nicely. These adjustments aren't full impulses. They're not like the traditional high velocity impulses that you see on an adult with the loud cracks and pops. These impulses are very, very small. They're about a half inch in depth and even lighter here in the neck. She's literally just tapping the vertebrae. Just a very, very light touch. This is called NUCA for anybody who's interested in researching it. It's a form of chiropractic that is very gentle and specifically designed for children and people with low force needs. Now that she's finished with the adjustment, she's just putting baby Ellis on his tummy here. Tummy time is very important after an adjustment and in general because it allows the baby to strengthen their postural muscles. It also prepares them and their muscles for crawling and eventually their development into walking. If you guys agree that this was the cutest patient ever, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys very much. We'll see you in the next video.